Good morning, everyone.
We're so excited because today we're going to be doing an island tour here in Thailand.
And we're just waiting for them to pick us up. So excited.
We are officially starting our tour. We just got onto the speedboat. It actually looks really nice. We heard that these can be really cramped, but this one's pretty spacious, I'd say. The seats are really comfortable.
We have more seats than people.
Excited to head to our first island. We have just gotten off of our boat and we are here at our first location, which is the PHRANANG Cave Beach. It's supposed to be really pretty. It's like a cave and a beach.
We'll find out. Let's go.
We have officially made it to the beach. The cave beach. Although, I gotta say, I thought that like the beach would go under into the cave or something like that. It does not.
A little bit.
A little bit, kind of. You can like go underneath a little bit of the cliff edge. But it's still really pretty here. And the water, as it is in lots of parts here in Thailand, is crystal clear. Really beautiful. Ooh, this cliff is looking scary. I think we found the most interesting thing at this beach. There is a, like a penis shrine. Yep, you heard that right. Penis shrine.
I looked it up. It's a very famous shrine where people come here to pray for kids. They want to have kids.
Like fertility, basically.
Yeah.
I think at this very first beach, we're gonna not go in the water because it's got a very long walk back. And we don't really want to walk back in our wet swimsuits all the way to the boat. Plus, the other stops, we have some snorkeling planned, I believe, and we have some more swimming opportunities. So here, I think we're just going to enjoy the beach itself and just chill out. I think this is seriously one of the most stunning beaches that I've ever seen. And this is only stop number 1. So, we've got a lot more stops and it should be really nice. Back on the boat. We have made it to our next stop, and this one's really cool because it's actually like 2 islands, I guess, and you can walk across from one island to the other right now because it's low tide.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's so insane. There's like a sandbank that you can walk along. I feel like from this angle over here, it just looks like people are walking across the sea. So crazy. This place is so beautiful and the water is amazing. I'm loving this place. Time to get wet. This is seriously like, I think probably the most stunning place I've ever been in my whole life. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at how blue everything is. Yeah, it would not.
Time to head back to our boat. Next stop, snorkeling. Snorkeling. Snorkeling.
Why can't you say snorkeling?
It's hard, okay, English.
Do just what you want. You're the one that tries.
Jump. 1, 2.
And I'll always be around when you need some loving, baby.
Are you having fun? was definitely the highlight of our day so far.
I know, it was so much fun. It was my first time snorkeling. I just love that I can see all the fishies in the ocean, and also the corals were so beautiful.
Yeah, and there was like in some areas there was like a lot of fish that were like kind of like deep below, and I'm like, oh, they're not coming, and then they would like come upwards.
Yeah,
It
they
was
were
kind of cool.
like,
So it was pretty cool. Now we're just chilling on the boat and hanging out here, drying off a little bit, and then I think we're heading to our next island, which is the final island, where we will have lunch.
I think it's called the PODA Island, I think.
I'm not sure, Diana.
Take me to your soul.
We got our food. Got like our little lunch boxes. And we just gotta find a spot to eat. Oh, that's not bad. It's like the basil, holy basil, and chicken, a fried egg, and we got some rice. Thank you. We had such a... You look ridiculous.
I like it.
We had such an amazing day today here on our 4-island tour.
Yeah, the 4-island tour was so much fun. We got to do some swimming and snorkeling.
Yeah, snorkeling was definitely the highlight. It was so much fun. And we got to eat food, and now we're just ending our day here at the beach, just relaxing, looking at this beautiful blue water.
If you enjoy our video, please give us a like, comment below, and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you guys in the next one.